You're watching Vocabulary for Fluency. Welcome to my channel. I am Ogaide Faith Iripia.
What if words could change how you speak? What if a single word could transform how you think, how you see, even what you become? Today's word is not just vocabulary, it's power, it's transformation, it is alchemizing. Sit back, it's gonna be different. Watch this dream and I'll explain it after. That dream, the dragon, the golden gown, the drowning and the rising was all about alchemizing. Here's a snack shack. Alchemizing is described as the act of turning or transforming something broken or ordinary into a precious object. It comes from the ancient art of alchemy, turning lead to gold. Unique, right? But real alchemizing doesn't happen in a flask. It happens in your heart. When you take your fears, pain, and failures and let God turn it into purpose, that's alchemizing. You are not what hurts you. You are the gold that came out of the fire. The most famous gold quotes of Prophet T.B. Joshua reads, "If gold must be gold, it must pass through the furnace." At the end of the dream, you saw 3 words. Blessed is she. Those words come from a poem, one born out or from this dream, called Alchemising. I've put the link to read the full poem in the description below. I'd like for you to find it, read it, and maybe share what blessed is she means to you. Now here's a song that came from the same fire.
Ooh, yeah.
Out in the gates, the rain began as he transformed, throwing her to the ground. The alchemizing, she turned red, in black and red she became a fragment of her soul. Yet in the nick of time, her spirit rose, renewing and restoring her to her original position. Blessed is she.
Remember, you are not what hurts you. You are the gold that came out of the fire. I am Oga Ede Faith Iripia, your word architect. Keep alchemizing and keep thriving.
The quiet sky. Your light still catches in my eye. Remember